Hey guys, have you ever wondered what was inside of that nose? Alright, let's check it out. Let's see what's inside of that nose.
You've been busy, huh? What? Are you waiting a joke or something? Anyway, I've got a question.
Do you remember your dead brother?
What?
Yes, your good brother. Your stupid brother.
Thanks for interrupting me, and here's a
Underswap.
better question. Do you want to have a bad time? Okay. This is why I never
Table
make
viewers.
promises. It's a
Pain.
beautiful day outside. The birds are singing. Hey,
How dare you?
guess I'm pretty good at my job, huh? It's a beautiful...
Okay.
Look at your face. Oh wait, you can't. It's a beautiful day outside.
I'm still alive.
It's a beautiful day outside. On days like this, kids like you, wait, should be burning in hell. Well, now it's time for what you came for. What?
Credit to, guys. I was just about to finish off this video until, how am I? I'm just gonna subscribe to give him some credit and like the video. Notification bell, bam.